Hello, hello, all of you beautiful faces. Oh my gosh, this is my first time doing a video in a few days because I haven't been feeling good. When you guys see this, I'm actually doing this on day 16 of the 30 days of giveaway, but by the time you guys see it, it will probably be way past that because I have a lot of videos stored up because I don't want to inundate you guys with videos during these 30 days. But oh, I'm telling you, I have quite an amazing little haul of stuff to show you, but first let's get into the Word of God. And today I had absolutely zero problem figuring out where to go to because I was opening up my Bible and immediately the Lord said Psalms 1. So I'm reading to you from Psalms 1, and that's verses 1 through 3. And so the word says, "Blessed is the man or woman who walks not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stands in the path of sinners, nor sits on the seat of the scornful, but his or her delight is in the law of the Lord. And on that law she meditates day and night. He shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, which brings forth its fruit in season, whose leaf shall not wither, and whatever he or she does shall prosper." I'm telling you, that is one of my absolute favorite scriptures because to me, this is an imperative scripture for the times that we live in. What I find, and you guys will hear me say this a lot, and I say it a lot because the Lord leads me to say it a lot, and because it is very relevant to the times that we live in. Many people think that they can walk the path of the wicked and sit on the seat of the scornful, and they with their lips profess to be Christians, but their lives are absolutely a contrary mess. And I mean a hot mess on top of that. That if somebody sat and watched a video of 1 month of their life, there would be like, if that's what Christianity is, then I don't want anything to do with it. And that's the truth. And it's a sad, sad truth, you guys. We cannot call ourselves Christians and look like the rest of the world. There has to be something different about us, you guys. I literally went through like persecution you guys would not understand when I got sick, and the church I was in was like, if you must be in sin, because they believe that we get to decide. And I used to believe that as well. I do not believe that anymore. And I thank the Lord continually that I have been delivered from that prideful attitude. We have to live a humble life, and we have to live reliant upon Him. And our actions should be that of somebody that looks like they love their Heavenly Father and that they revere Him. When I got persecuted, I am not kidding you, I had to decide. And you guys, this wasn't a decision I made a month ago. This was a decision I made over 10 years ago. I have been sick 12 years, and I said to the Lord, I know you can heal me, Father. I know you can. I'm asking you to do it now. But I'm going to trust your plan in this no matter what happens. And if I go to my grave and I come to glory with this infirmity in my body, I will never leave you. I will never quit, and I will never start living like the rest of the world. And I'm not perfect, but I know I do it. I know I do my best. in the midst of this circumstance. And I'm telling you guys, I am in pain 24 hours a day. It doesn't change. There is nothing man can give me that even helps with this. It may subside the pain just a smidge, but I am never ever out of pain. But I don't let that take my joy. I do not start walking around giving everybody an attitude and acting like the world owes me because I'm sick. I don't manipulate people for things, and I do not go to them for my help. My help comes from the Lord. And when the going gets tough, the tough get going to the throne. They don't go to man. They don't go to their bestie first and go, counsel me, and that person's not even serving God wholeheartedly. That's what this verse is talking about, the counsel of the ungodly. See, the word also says they honor me with their lips, but their hearts are far from me. That means their actions do not line up with the word. I know that this is a long message today, you guys, and I know that this is going to be a long video, but I'm telling you, don't risk it right now. The Lord's return is imminent, and I mean it. I feel it. I feel it in my soul. I feel it in my spirit. I feel it in every fiber of my being. Do not allow the world to swallow you up. Go to God with everything. Everything. Say, Father, I give it to you. I can't do it, but I know you can. Even if I can't see it, help me to trust. And He will help you through it all. And if you can't lay an action down, then you ask Him to help you to lay it down, and He will. Ask Him to remove it from you. All things are possible to him or her who believes. So just trust in Him today, you guys. Don't go to Him first and then go to your friend if you feel led. But don't, God is a jealous God. And sometimes He allows things to happen to us that the enemy is using to destroy us so that He gets our attention. So if He's trying to get your attention, you guys, give it to Him. I'm going to leave it at that. I could literally preach on this for like an hour. But I know you guys came for the goods too. So I'm going to give it to you. I am just going to show you. Look, everybody who has been watching me for a while knows that I'm a very strict budget this year. But there are times when you come across deals and I say to the Lord, should I pass this up? I have a budget, Lord, but is this something? And I had total peace about getting these things, and so I am so excited to share them with you. I'm going to breeze through some of them because they're just everyday needs. But I tried the Batiste dry shampoo. Now it does make your hair look like a big powder ball when you put it on, but when you brush it out, wow, this stuff works like nobody's business. And not only did it work, but it worked for like 3 days on me. I am not kidding. I have never had one do that well and not feel like my hair was like a dirty little rat's nest of powder and dryness. So I got one of these for $8.99, which that's just kind of a need. I picked up 2 of these H2O Plus. I know the light, I'm sorry, is shining bright. I'm hoping the camera's going to zoom in on these. But it is the Oasis Moisture Lock. I'm sorry, this light. Let me see if I turn the light down. Maybe that might help a little. But yes, there you go. It's the Moisture Lock. And these were $5.99. So I am going to try one, and I thought I need to get some skincare stuff to go into my giveaways as well because women love skincare. So one is going to go into giveaway stuff. I also, which I think is a banging deal, look at that price tag, $15, baby. This is the Dr. Brandt's Glow Overnight Revitalizing Serum with 2% active retinol time release complex. This is the Ruby Crystal, and then this one is the Overnight Revitalizing. I am not sure which one I'm going to, I think I'm going to keep the Revitalizing Serum and put one in the giveaway, but I'm so excited that I found those on clearance at TJ Maxx. I also found the Dr. Brandt's Glow Invigorating Retinol Eye Cream, which I am going to try out. I am so excited about finding that. This is a cream that I use. I can't tell you, I use it just about everywhere. And this, okay, don't anybody go to the gutter with that. But this is the Shea Moisture Youth Infusing Face and Neck Cream. I use this on my hands as well. I'm telling you, I love this stuff. This is only $5.99 for this, and I have to show you. This company really does all these other companies put some to shame, because this is full. I mean full. And there is not one air bubble in this bad boy. And this, I'm not kidding, these are all natural ingredients. And so I have a couple already for myself. These are just strictly giveaway items. So I'm really excited to share it with you. I also got the H2O Plus. This is the Infinity Overnight Wrinkle Reducing Mask. Amazing. H2O Plus is like just the bomb. This is CLI Gel Skin Toning Puffy Eye Support, which this is all natural stuff. So I got this because I deal with inflammation on my eyes so badly sometimes that, so I got this to try to see how it does. I got 2 of these of the H2O Plus Lemongrass and Vetiver lip balms. I already gave one to Savannah and got one for myself because this stuff is really, it does not smell strong. Like lemongrass can be really offensive at times, but this actually smells very yummy. I also got the Alginus Concentrated Reconstructing Serum. This was only $2.99, you guys. I mean, I think for an eye serum and the size that this is, this will last you a really long time because serums spread really well. So I'm just so excited to have skincare stuff for the giveaway. I am absolutely into, like nobody's business, cream shadows and loose pigments. Like I never ever thought I would find anything that I pick up more than my palettes. And I am literally loving the cream shadows. They work so well for me. I don't have any problem, no fallout. They blend amazingly. And this color, you had to dig past the top layer, but it is absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous gold. I'm digging my finger in because of the fact that it's a gorgeous, true 24 karat gold color, with a little bit more yellow in it than the, I don't think it's going to show up very well because of the camera, so I'm not going to try, but this is perfect for inner eye and one of my favorite colors. So I got this for like $2, I think it was. I also got a Makeup Revolution Big Love palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. This I don't think I'm going to check. I absolutely adore Makeup Revolution's products. I think they are an amazing brand. If I do not own it, I don't know. I'm going to go through my stuff, but I don't think I really need it. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I see it's not doing it justice because these are purples and plums in the middle. These are grays with a little bit of blues in them. And then here is a nude setup. It comes with a little spongy thing, but I am going to probably pass that along to somebody. But I think I just nicked the cream with my finger, but you guys, I swear I have clean hands. There, it is not going to be anything bad. I got 2 of these. Forgive me. These are MAC Fashion Fanatic palettes. I got one to keep and one to give away. I've wanted this one for such a long time, and it is absolutely Yes, I am very excited to own this now, and these were only $19. So I'm like, I'll be taking one of those for the giveaway, please. And it's very hard for me to pass on a $20 palette. That is that beautiful. I also got a couple of the BEOA. This is a little set. So it has a hair mask, a face mask, and a face scrub. And these were on clearance for $2, you guys. So I was like, I ain't passing it up. And then this one is the same thing, but this is neroli and white tea. And then this one is rosehip and kataku plum. So those are going into giveaways. Now, oh, I do have one brush here that I just think is beautiful. I'm sorry. These are my favorite shape brushes for powder and sometimes for doing blush. I got this to give into the giveaway. I do have enough of these, but when you find this shape and it's as soft as this, I don't care the brand. This baby is so soft. They had one open at the store, so I got to feel it. I also found a buxom lippy, and this color is just exactly what I have been looking for. This was $2.99, and it is a beautiful berry lip liner. So I love to do berry lip liners and then do a nude and just give a hint of that color along the edges, and it would look really good actually today, so I forgot to do this. But oh my gosh, the size of this is amazing. And on the other end, it's got a brush for blending if you want to make it a full lip. So I love it. And for that price, I ain't passing it up. But you guys are going to just crack up when you see this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 brushes, and these, I'm not kidding, are my all-time favorite brushes ever is It Cosmetic face brushes. I have not tried their eyeshadow brushes yet. I would love to do it, but they're just too expensive for me. But I found these babies for $7.99 each. And so I am so excited. I'm not sure what giveaway I am going to put these in, but I am going to include some of these in the giveaways, but you're going to crack up when you see what I got. So there's these. I literally bought every single one they had. Not done yet. 3 more. So I got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. I got 11 of these bad boys. Actually, I got 12 of them, but 3 of them are going to my girlfriend Ashley, in Canada. And when I told her, she was like, oh my gosh, can you go pick me up some and I'll send you the money? Oh my gosh. And I'm not kidding. I was in bed that day and she just knows me, and she's one of my besties. I love her. I love her. But I got my butt up out of bed and I ran up there that day and I got them for her. And they didn't have them in one store, so I bought the one they had in that store, and then we drove all the way to another store in Temecula and I bought every single one they had there because I was like, Lord, can I please get these for giveaway items? I think I am going to sell 3 of them to make some money off of them because I need some money coming in. My husband hasn't had work right now lately. And so I'm going to sell some to make some money on them to get more money to come in to use for beauty stuff. And the rest I'm going to give away. So is that not amazing? Oh my gosh. So worth seeing. And I'm so excited I got this video done because now I can put it away and it's not sitting on my desk because I've been looking at this pile of stuff and I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta get the video done, Lord. But I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little haul from TJ Maxx. I love that store. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I will be a customer as long as they're still standing in Menifee. I hope you guys have an amazing day. God bless you and keep you safe in this crazy world we live in. Bye.